CPEC will go through countries China and Pakistan. Which country recently offered gas to Pakistan is Turkmenistan. PM recently addressed UN General Assembly. Yemen lies to the dash of Saudi Arabia. Yemen lies to the south of Saudi Arabia. Dam is being built at River Indus, the Amir Basha Dam. River Indus starts at Ladakh. Country to the east of India with civil unrest is Myanmar. Population of China is 1.4 billion. Pakistan's stance on India as a permanent member of SCO. Strong opposition. Pakistan opposed drone because they are a threat to its sovereignty. Bilateral agreement is signed between countries India and Pakistan. Steam already converted into mechanical energy is usually colder. Energy in a nuclear reaction is produced due to uncontrolled chain reaction. The Chalky Hills are located near Quetta. Radio waves travel waves faster than sound. Sound waves travel faster in a dense medium. Ittihad means consensus. What portion of war spoils should be deposited in Baitul Mal? 1/5. Instrument of rain gauge is ombrometer. Fourth source of Islamic law, Qiyas. Ozone layer protects Earth from radioactive rays sent by the sun. A number divided by 4 and 40 added gives 48. The answer is 32. Age of solar system approximately is 4.5 billion years. 20-meter building from 15-meter away. Find the area length. 25-meter. Largest being plane in operation. 787 Dreamliner. Xinjiang province belongs to China. 9, 16, x 36. What is x? 16 में हमने 9 प्लस किए तो हमारे पास 25 आ जाएगा. 1, 4, 9, 16. Next number in series 1 और 4 5. 5 9 में हमने 5 में फिर हमने 4 प्लस किए तो 9 बन गए. तो 16 में अब हम 9 प्लस करेंगे तो 25 बन जाएगा. तो आंसर इज 25. 4 boys ran 60 km each in 6 hours. Distance covered by one by one boy in 1 hour, 10 km. Photovoltaic cells convert solar energy into electricity through a chemical process. Glucose is the source of energy for human brain. After nuclear explosion causes most damage, gamma rays causes most damages. If you are fifth from the either end of a queue, how many people does it have? 9. DGFIA can delegate his authority to any member specified by him. Al-Fatiha is the preface of the Holy Quran. Dash and dash will represent FIA in a special court, ad law and legal. FIA Act may specify service terms. First SOS village of Pakistan in Lahore 1977. FIA is supervised by the federal government. Hormuz lies between the Gulf of Oman and the Persian Gulf. Tamil riots in Sri Lanka during 80s and 90s. Population of Pakistan is the second largest Muslim. 5 rivers of Pakistan meet at in Punjab. Pick the odd one. 26. At Tarbela Dam, pressurized water runs through steam turbines. First battle between Muslims and Kuffar, Ghazwa Abwa. Khyber was a stronghold of Jews. The red wire in a car battery is connected to positive terminal. Daesh has recently stationed its planes in Syria, Russia. Which of the following is not a binary series? None of these. Shabnam likes to drink tea and water. Dash Chelsea likes to drink milk and juice. The answer is whereas Shabnam likes to drink tea and water, whereas Chelsea likes to drink milk and juice. X plus y is equal to 99, ये हमने करना है. X minus y is equal to 9. तो जवाब इसका आना चाहिए आंसर 45 and 54. तो x हम लेट कर लेते हैं. x इज इक्वल टू 54, y इज इक्वल टू 45. इसको आप प्लस भी कर सकते हैं. प्लस करके देखेंगे तो 99 आ जाएगा और इसको माइनस करके देखेंगे तो ये पूरा 9 आ जाएगा. Boko Haram mostly attacks in Maiduguri regions. A number whose square and cube are same. 1. The Siberian region of Russia lies in Asia continent. A steel pin sinks in water while a far bigger ship floats because of it displaces more water than its weight. Thrust is produced in a jet engine when gases pass through narrow opening.